Welcome to the project demonstration of non-invasive glucometer. So here we develop this GlucoBand which is continuously monitor the glucose levels based on the non-invasive method, and that will be displayed on this 16:2 this OLED display, 128:64 OLED display, and same data will be sent to the mobile phone through the Bluetooth module, so which we have the inbuilt inside this box. So it has a sensor with IR sensor, red LED, photodiode along with the green LED. So means green intensity, not the green LED, green intensity. Total 3 parameters we are going to get. So if you want to check the parameters directly, we can access the data from this USB cable to the Arduino serial port directly. So in that one directly we are going to get the IR data along with red LED and along with the green intensity of the lights. So total 3 parameters is main input to the system, and from there we are going to estimate the glucose levels. So how nothing but, so generally as we have the theory proof of whenever the glucose levels are high, then the blood density will be the high, and glucose levels normal, blood density is normal, and next low for the blood density is low only. There when we place this system on a wristband, wrist over here, so wherever the skin thickness is very less, when we place it over here, then the red LED IR sensor will identify the finger initially, this skin surface initially. Then after, the system keep on checking the intensity of the red transmitted LED data. So whenever it reflected from this red blood cells over here, we are going to get the red blood cells. So whenever the transmitter is done, then the reflection based, it will differentiate the systolic and diastolic. So there we can get the difference between the systolic and diastolic also, because when the heart pumping the blood into these veins, then the veins filled with the blood, then the reflection is the more, and when it is pull back the blood by the heart, then the density of the reflection is less. So the system initially will differentiate these two, systolic and diastolic, and whenever the blood cells, veins filled with the blood cells, then the reflection will be matched with our predefined data set. So that is some predefined data value will be there, so it will matching with that. So then we are going to estimate the slowly the glucose levels, so whether it is a normal, abnormal, the values in the milligrams per deciliter will be estimated by this reflected LED values, and that will be displayed on the LCD screen. IR sensor to detect the placed on the hand or not, and then after it will estimate the glucose levels. So let us see demonstration. So before demonstration, we need to install one application, that is Bluetooth terminal application, which is available in the Play Store. So if it is not available, you can install any serial terminal application which can be accessed for your Android OS version. Serial Bluetooth, yeah, right. So this is a serial Bluetooth terminal application which is available in the Play Store. Okay, so you can install any one of the applications. Now go to Bluetooth settings. In that, on the power supply. So initially the Bluetooth light blinks fast. So first of all, we need to pair from the Bluetooth settings. Initially, when you are demonstrating the project in your mobile phone very first time, then we need to install initialize from the settings initially. Done. So 1234 is the password. So after pairing from the settings, next time onwards directly you can go to the application part. Okay, so application part, devices. So there you can see the HC05, right. So after successfully connected, we can see this device is connected, and also we can see the lights blinking slowly. So if you place any other object, so it won't read the data, just placing on your hand. So let us close this, right. Okay, so it is continuously sending the data to the mobile phone as well as another OLED display. It's continuously. So if you move that, then it won't get the data, or if you place in wrong position or any unable to calibrate, so you'll get this. See, unable to calibrate the data means it's not getting the data properly. So we need to check and place it properly on the position, so we're getting the reflections properly. Right. Yes, you're getting the same accurate values now. So let us check with another person. We have Right. So once we get the 5 to 6 readings continuously, that is indication of we get the glucose levels, right? So now it's continuously streaming same thing on your mobile phone also. So okay, right. Right, we are getting the continuous values. So in this manner the GlucoBand developed to get the glucose levels.